Welcome back to my channel. I'm home today again, sick, but I got a notification that I had something in my boyfriend sent me a funny message. Okay, I got a notification that I had something in my P.O. box, so I went to go check it, and as Tiffany, I started to get very teary-eyed in the car. Okay, my glasses are dirty. This
she literally was about to cry.
This is friend mail. This is from Reuse Muse here on YouTube. She's also on Instagram. She actually did a video about this, and I had no idea that this was mine. Now, she did tell me that she was sending me something, but I had no idea that this was it. So when I seen it, I was like, oh my God. I wish I wouldn't have opened it in the car, but I was like, oh my God. That I watched, and then my daughter pulled something else out of the box, and that's when I started to get teary-eyed. Now I've not opened it yet because I was like, no, put it away. I don't want to see it anymore. But this is also in the box. This is like an old book that has been painted, and it's got this little band around it to keep it shut, and the pages are filled with things. I'm not sure what yet. I will get to this. This is the part that made me teary-eyed because I was just like, oh my God. So Reused Muse, I'm gonna put a little card right there to her channel. Her name is Wendy. So, wow, big box. She sent me this. So here is the tea binder. The tea binder. But first, sorry guys, I have to open this. She sent me a card. This is very exciting. Oh, let there be light. Oh my God, what a cute card. Oh. What are you? Oh my goodness. This is the cutest. Look at this little card. How freaking cute. Oh my God. Did you make this card? Just wanted to let you know how much I enjoy your channel. You seem honest, warm, and down to earth. I appreciate your reviews, your daily updates, and your selfless sharing of your home life, introducing us to your kids, your dog, your boyfriend. Finally, I appreciate you occasionally popping over to my YouTube channel to leave a kind word of encouragement for my weight loss journey. In appreciation, I'm sending along a couple things I made. One, a tea book. I'm obsessed and wanted to share lots of different ones so you could try. My favorite is Tazo Cashin. Mine too. I actually had some today, which I drink iced with heavy whipping cream and stevia. Yes, me too. I'm also including one of my altered, I think the word got small, books, junk journals. The idea is it's a place to diary. There are plenty of surfaces to write on, make lists, glue memories, trinkets, photos, reminders of your days. I like that idea. Anyways, I hope my package makes your day and brings a smile to your face. All best, Wendy. Reuse Muse on YouTube and Instagram. And I got teary-eyed again because it did make my day. Being sick today and yesterday, and to see this come in the mail was very exciting. So here is the cover. I'm assuming that this N is for me, for Nacine. This is a very beautiful girl here. There's butterflies, and I just like how all of these just random images have all come together to make like one whole just image. And what a neat idea this is, to put them all into a binder. When you open it up, they're like these little card holders, and then there's different decorative things on the front, and then on the back are teas. And so there's 4 pages in here. Can you see? Let me push this down. There's 4 pages in here. This is so far my favorite tea. And there's so many teas that I've never had because I'm sort of new to teas. So this is very exciting to me to be able to try all these teas. Ooh, that butterscotch? That sounds good. How neat is this, you guys? I love these little just random images. White rose, that sounds really good. Ooh, chamomile. And then little, okay, so these are kind of like electrolyte mixes here. I love this. And I love how each page is like a theme, like a matching colored theme. Wild sweet orange. Ooh, sounds good. Ooh, that looks really pretty. I cannot wait. I guess I need to finish my coffee so I can start. This one sounds good too. Throat comfort. Actually, I think she told me about this tea a long time ago when I was sick. Ooh, and a peach. I'm very excited. And you see what I mean? Like all the pages, they have like a theme. How neat. You're so crafty. So crafty. So there's that. And then there's this. So it's a junk journal. I love how neat that looks. This looks like bubbles up here. There's, ooh. There's like, you see this? This looks like clouds. How awesome. I love this. Oh my gosh, that's so neat. Wow. So, I've never had anything like this. So this is really cool, you guys. There's like just little areas to keep notes. And like she said, just little pictures. Look at that. Ooh. This is so neat, you guys.
It's like an old book.
Yeah, it was used from an old book, and there's all these little areas to leave, like, oh, that's so freaking cool. Leave little notes and things, like you could put your movie stubs, and if you had like a really good day with your family and you went on a vacation somewhere, just all kinds of stuff. This is so neat. Wow. I am so honored to have gotten this. Wow. I can't believe that you made this. This is unbelievable. Ooh, I like this page. This page actually has like a texture to it. I love this. You are a very, very talented person. This is, I can't even say how cool this is. Wow. How cool is this, you guys? How cool is this? This is amazing, and I love it so much. Thank you so much, Wendy, for sending this to me. I really, really, really appreciate that. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate that. This is the kindest,
like you could do this one today.
like handmade gift. And then you want to know what I can do? Every tea that I try, I can like keep the little baggie that it came in and put it somewhere in here and make a little note about how I liked it, how I was feeling that day. It's a good way to use this. This is so awesome. Thank you. And you really did make my day, Wendy.
Oh, there's another ticket.
You guys, please go check out her channel. She does all kinds of just really interesting, artsy, crafty things if you're into any of that kind of stuff. And she also is on a weight loss journey as well. So go show her channel some love and let her know that Nacine sent you. And I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you.